guys, welcome. As you can see in the title below, we're going to talk about my hair. If you notice, I pretty much cut it all off. You know, it's been a huge change, but I had a reason for it. And pretty much it's like I had it very damaged and very dry, and like I had a bunch of split ends, and it was a mess. And it was so hard to like come through, and I don't know, it just was a mess. I really couldn't deal with it anymore. No matter what I did, it would always look super dry. So I decided to go to the salon and cut it off. And everyone was so skeptical, was so scared. They were like, oh no, you're gonna cut a lot of your hair. You're like, your hair looks so good right now. Where are you gonna cut it? How much are you gonna cut it? So I just decided to just cut it until, you know, there weren't more split ends and the whole thing. But now comes the sad story, the sad part. After I cut it, you know, it's really hard every time you cut your hair. You're never used to it. You are always using your old hair, at least the first few weeks. So it's really hard. And I gotta be honest, I'm still not crazy about it. It's very short. But, you know, everyone's wearing it. Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid. You know, it's something that's in, but I'm still not used to it. So, wait. Now the really sad part. So after a few weeks of cutting it, I noticed I had split ends again. And I was going to cry. I missed my old hair, and even after I cut it, it still was broken and dry. So, like a miracle straight from heaven, I got in the mail this. It's L'Oreal's new line for damaged hair. So what I got, it comes in this box. It was like a little sample, you know. And inside there's this, which is the, I think you say Elvive Extraordinary Oil. It's made of camellia and sunflower oils. And it's a deep nourishment, silky softness, luxurious shine. And you can use it a bunch of different ways. So the ways I've been using it, well, right now, I haven't used it today. And it's, you know, you can see my frizzy hair. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't even like blow dry it. So this is like how it looks usually after I get out of the shower and I let it air dry. So how I've been using this, I just pumped a little bit, like 1 or 2 pumps, and I fill over my hands and start from the ends to probably halfway, because having short hair is also really hard because it gets, for me, it gets super oily really fast. Like usually when I had long hair, like the oil didn't even get halfway, but now like I get super oily hair really fast. So again, I go from ends all the way to like half of the hair. And you know, even if you have like special parts that are like super frizzy, you can like put a bit of it, and there we go. Isn't that magic? Isn't that magic? I feel like it looks so good now. Like there's no like little flying hairs anymore. I mean, there might be a few. No, look, it's like so clean. It really is a lifesaver, and you can use it a bunch of different ways. Again, I'm gonna read what it says on the bottle and how you can use it, but this is the main way I use it, for the ends after it's dry, so I can control the little crazy hairs and everything. And it's supposed to, you know, repair your hair. So let's see, I don't have many split ends like the ones I had before, so it's keeping it pretty, like, you know, moisturized and nourished enough so I don't get more split ends. So let me see if I can like make a close up of how it looks. Apparently not. I don't know, but it looks pretty healthy, right? Look, I already messed it up. Okay, so the other ways you can use it. You can use it before shampoo for luxurious nourishment, before styling to control and discipline hair, which is pretty much what I do. I don't style it much after. I just prefer to leave it like that and just let it act on its own. and to polish strands for no frizz and flyaways, which is also the way I used it. I think that's the one that I used, the way. And as a lightweight finishing touch for silky softness and luxurious shine. So yep, this is, you see it says rub to ultra nourishment drops between the palms of your hands, apply evenly throughout the lengths and ends of dry or wet hair. So yeah guys, this is my lifesaver, and this is the secret for my hair right now, because having short hair, I mean, I have normal frizzy hair, and this actually helps me a lot to keep it in check and, you know, not too frizzy or frizzy at all, because, you know, it looks so good. I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys love it. I am going to leave the description in the description below the link for this, I think for Amazon or the actual L'Oreal website. But yeah, this is my secret for my hair. Hope you guys love it. I'm gonna come with another video soon about some makeup products that I got in the mail that I'm really excited about. So hopefully just, you know, check below, subscribe, and put the notifications on, and give it a thumbs up. See you next. Bye.